You know, talking about Bud brings a lot of fond memories. I've known Bud for over 30 years. When I was Secretary of Human Services, he was definitely an advocate for many of the programs that were operated by that department for the underserved. But especially in the area of healthcare, Bud always provided a good background. Even though he was in the private sector at the time, he definitely had a heart for what was best for New Mexico. An interesting story about Bud, though, is once he was playing at a softball game and he cut his lip. And the story was that when he went back to his office for a staff meeting, that he couldn't talk. And we all know that Bud was a talker. Bud loved to talk. I mean, if there was a point of view and he had something to say, he would definitely say it. And the other thing about Bud was his smile. Bud's smile just lightened up the room. He was always very, very gregarious. He just brought a lot of unity into programs. On the CAHF board, Bud definitely was a strong advocate from the beginning. He was very, very much involved with the issues of ensuring that the program had sufficiency. I knew him more from the financial end because I serve on the Finance Committee. And he wanted to make certain that our corpus was solvent, but that we still provided the type of service to the community that CONALMA's mission is all about. So we missed Bud a lot. He was just a good friend, a good advocate for New Mexico, for healthcare, and you know, his loss is something that we will all miss at the CAHF board as well as in the state of New Mexico. The round hall is not the same without him walking around and patting people on the back and smiling and just bringing people together. He was very good at that.